Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to allow and install apps from unknown sources on Android smartphone. So let's check it out. We are using OnePlus smartphone for doing this, so the steps might vary a bit for other brand smartphones. Also, Google or Android often updates their user interface. So if the options look different when you are watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Most of the time, we use the Google Play Store app to search and download new applications. But there are plenty of awesome apps which are not available on the Play Store. We can manually visit the website or go to GitHub to download them on our Android smartphone. But our smartphone may not easily allow that. We will get a pop-up like this. We will get a pop-up like this. For your security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install. We can go from here. We can go to settings and we can enable this. This is one way. But if you want to enable this on multiple places for smooth installation, then here are the steps for that. To do this, we have to take our Android smartphone and go to settings. Here we have to go to security and privacy. Then we have to go to more security and privacy. Here we have to go to installation sources. We will get a page like this. So here we have to enable the places from where we are downloading the APK files. Let it be Chrome, Drive, Gmail or even My Files. We can enable the places where we usually download those APK files. But we should be always careful about the applications we download from the internet. They might be filled with malware and viruses. So now for example, we are going to enable Chrome here. We will get a pop-up like this. So we have to read all this and we have to make sure we are downloading it from the proper source. We can select allow. And now if we go to the Chrome browser and if we try to download and install this file, if we select this APK file, we will get a pop-up like this. We won't get that error anymore. We just have to select install here. That's all we have to do. If you are getting errors like blocked by Play Protect, then you can go to Play Store, select the profile pic icon, go to Play Protect here, then select this gear icon. Here we will have scan apps with Play Protect. We can temporarily disable this. We can pause or turn it off. That's all. We have to do the account verification. Then we can disable this. And if you are getting errors like app not installed, then you have to make sure you are downloading the correct APK file according to your phone's CPU architecture. These are the steps to allow and install apps from unknown sources on our Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.